Hey everyone, Ethan here, and today we're going to be talking about wood plugs. Now there's a lot of different ways to attach one piece of wood to another. On one hand, you have traditional Japanese joinery, basically poetry in wood. On the other hand, you have the good old hammer and nails. Both of them work, it just depends on the look you're going for. So today, we're going to be talking about something right in the middle, and that is wood plugs. Two examples of them right here. This one, we're using the exact same wood and the same grain so it matches seamlessly in there. The other option is using a contrasting wood, maple and walnut. It really depends on the project and the look that you're going for. So here's the tools you're going to need. Plug cutter, screws, countersink, Allen key for your countersink, chisel, something to pop the plugs out with, something to hit the plugs in with, glue, drill, sander, and a drill press. First, we're going to go over the miter saw. We're going to cut it all to size. This is the offcut piece. I'm going to write save on it because in a busy shop, this could get lost, and you want to spend your time doing the plug cuts, not trying to grain match another piece of wood that you're going to find. So I have the save piece. I'm going to bring it over to the drill press right now. For the second step, we take our piece over the drill press with our plug cutter already loaded in. We make some plugs. Now you can set the depth for this, or you can just eyeball it. But that's what they're going to look like after you plug cut. For the next step, you're going to take your pieces of wood, throw some glue on it, spread it out nice and even, throw some clamps on it, and then you're ready for the next countersink step. So we have our countersink all loaded up. We're going to go right here. Now we have our drill. We're going to take our screw. We're going to connect it all. With the glue and the screw, you know it's not going to go anywhere. All right, now you're going to take your glue and just a little bit just to coat the edges. There we go. You don't want to get a big pool. You don't want it squeezing over your plug. That should be good. Take your plugs. And remember to always go with the grain. That way it can be seamless. Knock it in. Take the second one, again with the grain. All right, now you're going to take your chisel, and sometimes your chisel's razor sharp, sometimes it could use a little work. So I like to go a little bit over, just a little bit. That way you can come back with your sander and there won't be any issues. Take a look here. That's too deep, so that's not going to come out with the sander. So here's what you do. A little tip, take a drill, take a screw, set it up, and you go right into the center of this one. There you go. Now your screw is going to hit the top of the other screw and pop this right out, so you get a second chance at it. Always grain matching. It's a pain when it's not, and you have it off, it just doesn't blend. Knock it back in. Take just a little bit off. Now we're going to come with the sander. All right, and there you go. Let's unclamp this. As you can see, you keep sanding it. It's getting cleaner and cleaner. But with the grain, looks good. It's going to disappear right into the wood. Now, these are a couple of stools that we make at the shop. As you can see, maple, walnut, with the nice contrasting. People like them. I like them. Let me know what you think. And also let me know if you have any questions on this process. Happy to answer any questions you might have. Thanks for watching. See you at the next video.